The Safety Prime dispenses all primers with a push of a button. Works with all brands of primers. Never touch the tiny primers from box to shell. Fill the tray in seconds rather than filling a tube one at a time like other brands. Install the triangular-shaped bracket as shown. Slip in the trigger and trough assembly. Raise the ram to the top of its stroke. Swing in the trigger to the primer arm and push the trigger to verify operation. Hand tighten the bracket screw. Verify you installed the correct primer arm, large or small, and that you have selected the proper trigger assembly, large or small.